This might be one of the best discoveries I have ever made. Discovery not made by plan, but by chance. On this day, stars aligned and I stumbled upon one of nature's best kept secrets, the Karagha Falls, which some locals also refer to as the Saghaigu Falls. But this won't just be a story about a waterfall. It's about a journey, a discovery, and the magic that unfolds when curiosity leads the way. While in Taita, I took an unexpected adventure. It all began when I visited a family member in Bura. As I stood near this bridge by the Bura mission station, something caught my eye. A stream flowing beneath. Little did I know, following this stream would lead me to one of Kenya's hidden gems. Driven by curiosity, I followed the stream's path from the bridge, going down there to see where it led. While under here, I saw the way. I decided to go further until I came at a dead end with beautiful views. It is here where I realized that this stream had more to offer than met the eyes, and so I made it my decision and mission to discover where it led. Realizing the road to discovery might have been more complex than anticipated, I sought help. We went back to the bridge near Bura mission stage, walked to a neighbor dispensary which is a few minutes from the stage, and from the dispensary, we followed a dusty path leading down to the discovery we so much awaited. Upon going down, we came across the start of what we had hoped to find, a pleasant discovery where some of nature's best melodies are made. The soothing sounds of water flowing downstream. While checking the waterfall trail, we were met with beautiful views and scenery. It was time to find out where this water drops and, if possible, be there before the end of the day. We navigated through rocky terrains and lush greenery, with the beautiful sounds of flowing water growing louder and guiding us like a melody as we went deeper. With the water flowing gracefully over the rocky steps, we followed the water trail while appreciating the scenery around us. The flora and the fauna made these findings more appealing. When I asked myself, why has such a fascinating discovery not been documented and advertised to the world? I immediately got the answer. It was up to Carlimbo to answer this question and uncover one of Kenya's best kept secrets. Each step made felt like peeling back layers of a secret. The journey wasn't that easy, but the anticipation kept me going. I loved how the stream kept revealing itself. Watching the water go down the rocks offered unmatched views and much needed entertainment. At one point, we had to go through different landscapes to get to our destination. From conquering rocky steps to passing through beautiful terrains, a small lake forest, and finally our destination. There it was, Karagha Falls, also known as Saghaigu Falls to some locals. The sight was mesmerizing. The water kept cascading over the rocks. On this day, we uncovered a beautiful gem where one can easily come with friends, family, and their significant other to relax or have a picnic. For the ones coming along, it's a very therapeutic place where you can come and take in the sounds of nature while enjoying the views and calmness of it. As usual, I had to taste if the water was consumable, and I was not disappointed. The water is of great quality. Just like the water from Taita Falls, I also award it a 9 out of 10 water experience. The water is fresh, sweet, and has a chilling effect. This place, just like Taita Falls, isn't just beautiful, it's therapeutic. The sounds, the sights, the serenity, it's a sanctuary. But the journey didn't end here. Curious about where the water flowed next, we traced it downstream, leading us to Saghaigu. We had to go back to the road and drive to Saghaigu, where we discovered how locals harness this water for irrigation, showcasing a harmonious blend of nature and human ingenuity. On arrival at the base of the waterfall, we came across these rocks stopping us from getting the premium views. To access premium views, we had to climb it, and so we did. Reaching at the top, we conquered our mission and were rewarded with a parallel view of nature's masterpiece. From here, the world felt vast and intimate all around. The journey, the discoveries, and all the stories converged into this moment. The feeling was awesome, an experience so beautiful that I have to record and keep memories of this journey to share with you. Although I went through a lot to get here, my expectations were met and satisfied by the discoveries made, which gave me a quiet hug from nature and the Karagha. Waterfalls are peaceful places to visit. You should try visiting one near you to know how tranquil things get here. Uncovering this hidden gem in Taita Taveta County felt awesome. It's one of the few places where water dancing is done, and it should be on your bucket list. This adventure has taught me that sometimes the best discoveries are unplanned. Karagha Falls isn't just a destination, it's a testament to the wonders that are waiting when you choose to explore. If you found this video interesting, entertaining, and informative, please support our channel by hitting that like, share, and subscribe button. Also, do share this video with your family and friends, and join us to uncover more of Kenya's hidden treasures as we enjoy more travels together. Your next adventure awaits. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the beauty of our world. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.